Hello, so today we're going to be working on our word definitions for Amy Bacher Steady's foundation. If your word definitions page in your work packet does not look like this, then you can go to the other video. There's two versions of the definitions worksheet. Now it says word definitions. Match each picture word card to its definitions. So first you guys should cut out these four definition cards at the bottom. And so after you cut them out, we're going to put each one in the right spot. If the video is going too quickly, you can definitely feel free to pause the video just to slow it down. All right, let's look at our first definition. An outdoor game in which players use clubs to hit small balls into holes. Is that foundation, golf, try, or best? Which one is a game where people use clubs to hit small balls into holes? It is golf. So that's a game where people, they use the clubs to hit the balls into holes and they get points that way. And you want to hit the ball as few times as possible to get into the hole. The next word or definition says, the most excellent effort one can make. Which one is the most excellent effort one can make? Is it foundation, try, or best? The most excellent. So the best, it is the best. I just said the answer, but yes. The most excellent effort is the best you can do. You try your hardest, you do your best. Next one says, a group of people that helps others. Is that foundation or try? Which one is a group of people that helps others? That would be foundation. Foundation is where a group of people come together and they think of ways and things that they can do to support other people and help other people do their best. And the last definition says, to make an attempt to do something. That would be our last word, which is try. So when people say, just try this food, or try doing this activity, they're just saying, at least attempt to do it, at least try a little bit. So we have golf, an outdoor game in which players use clubs to hit small balls into holes. Best, the most excellent effort one can make. Foundation, a group of people that helps others. Try, to make an attempt to do something.